All right, y'all. We finna attempt to make some smothered pork chops. What should I say? Southern smothered pork chops and gravy. We're gonna see how they work out. I got 4 pork chops. I washed them off already. I'm gonna season them up, put them in the grease, make me some gravy. We're gonna use some meat tenderizer, some paprika. We're gonna use some onion powder, some garlic powder, a little slap your mama, some Tony Creole, and some Lottery seasoning salt, and some black pepper. To season these up real light. They're not too thick, so don't have to fry them too long because they're gonna be smothered. So I'm not gonna dip them in the eggs or nothing. I'm just gonna put some flour on them and just see if we can smother them and see how they turn out. Put a little meat tenderizer on them. Yeah, it's all right. Season them up real good. A little onion powder. You don't want to put too much on them, have them too salty. Not like chicken. A little onion powder. A little garlic powder, onion powder. A little slap your mama. Rub this in a little bit. Oh yeah. Get that rubbed in a little. Ooh. All right. Get this rubbed in real good. So we're gonna put a little onion in there for a little flavor. Black pepper. All right. So we're not gonna put that much flour on it because we're not really frying them all the way. We're gonna let them simmer in the sauce when I make it, so it can cook all the way through. So we don't have to flour them up real good. We just gonna add a little flour just to coat it, to get the little brown look. Just enough to coat it. Ooh, yeah, we don't want to put too much because we're not really frying them. We just want to coat it a little bit. Because we're going to have some southern smothered pork chops today. That's what we're going for, y'all. Let's see how this works out. Yes. Let's see how this come out. Should be a quick fix. Something cooked, quick, and delicious. That's the plan. We've been doing all right so far, so we're just gonna cook these up with a little sides. There we go. want to light coat them. And we're going to see how they turn out. It don't matter how they turn out. We're going to eat them anyway. Yes, we are. So let's just see what we got. Go over here and check the grease. And I'll be back in a minute. Peace. All right, we got the grease going. Sounds good. See if we can get all 4 of these in here. I'm hoping that we can. Ooh-wee. Let's see if we can squeeze this one in. There we go. All right, y'all. Got the grease at 325. We're gonna let these cook for about 5 minutes on each side and see what we come out with, all right? And then we're gonna make our gravy with flour, onions, and season the flour. And then we're gonna put the pork chops back in there and see how they come out. Be back in a minute. Peace. All right, let's see. Just gonna turn them. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's looking good. We don't want to fry them too hard because we're gonna smother them. Looking good though. All right, 5 more minutes on the other side, and we'll take them out and we'll start our process of making our gravy. All right, y'all, almost golden brown. Little bit longer. We ain't gonna rush it. We're gonna make it taste good. And we'll be ready. Be right back. Subscribe, like, comment, tell a friend. We'll be back. All right now. I'm ready. I think they're ready to come out. Whee. Ready to get smothered, y'all. Gonna sit these on the tray right here. We're gonna wash this pan out and come right back and make our gravy. Be back in a minute. All right. We're gonna leave a little of that grease in there we just took that out with so we can fry these onions. We're just gonna fry these down so they get kind of soft and a little brown. Just to add a little flavor to our gravy. And some of that fat from the pork chops that was left in the grease. We'll let that simmer for a minute. Oh yeah. I don't even like onions, but when you're cooking with them and the flavor, the onion flavor, like, it'd be pretty good. Once you fry them good, I'll eat some onion rings though. So we'll see how this turn out here. It's gonna be just to make that gravy have a little flavor on top of that pork chops. That's Southern style. That's what I'm hoping for, y'all. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. All right. We're gonna let that cook for a minute until it get right, and then we're gonna start our gravy. All right. Hold on. Let's see what we get. We'll be back in a minute. Peace. All right, y'all. Ooh, these onions are smelling good. Ooh, with that fat from the pork chops, the seasoning. Ooh. All right, we're gonna add our flour. Start our gravy going. All right, y'all work with me. Let's cross our fingers, y'all. Let's cross our fingers. Ooh, that's smelling good. Mm, mm, mm. All right, let's get our gravy going. Get all these lumps out of here. Ooh-wee. Oh, there we go. Ooh. There we go. Just keep it going, y'all. Keep it going. We'll get this gravy right. Mm-hmm. We're gonna simmer this gravy. Put the pork chops in it. There we go. Put a lid on it. And let's see it do what it do, y'all. It's getting right. Now we're gonna add a little seasoning. A little Caesar salt. We're gonna put a little paprika in here. We'll put a little Tony's. We don't need no onion powder, but we're gonna put some garlic powder. And last but not least, man, that smells so good. Can y'all smell that? Ooh, get all these lumps out. I think I'm getting it, y'all. Work with me. Comment. Tell me what I should have done different. I'm a frying kind of guy. I said, let's try some gravy today. Ooh-wee. We're gonna cut it down. Ooh, let's cut it down to a simmer. Mm. I think we're ready, y'all. Cut it down to a simmer. Now we're gonna add our pork chops. A little bit on top. Add another one. Put a little bit on top. Add another one. Yeah. Cover it up. Add the last one. Get some of this juice on top of there. Take a look, y'all. We're gonna put that down. We got it on simmer. I'm gonna put a top over it. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10, 15 minutes. Let's take one moment. I'm almost ready. I'm almost ready. Oh, y'all, it smells good. I don't know how it look, but I'm telling y'all, it smells good. I mean, I ain't professional, but it's eatable, I think. We're gonna eat it anyway. So we're gonna cover it. We're gonna let it sit at a low pace. Let it soak in there with that cooking that gravy. And we're gonna come back, all right? Subscribe, like, comment, tell a friend, and let's see what we got. We'll be back. Southern style smothered pork chops going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Peace. All right, y'all. Y'all see the smoke coming off of it. We made some mashed potatoes, put a little gravy on it. Southern style smothered pork chops made in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Let's see what happens, y'all. I'm just gonna take my fork. I don't even need a knife, y'all. It's so tender. And pull a piece off. Look at that, with a fork. Look at that smoke. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mashed potatoes with gravy. Hoo-wee. Look at that right there. Homemade. Right out the kitchen. Didn't know what I was doing. I was just doing it. Came out all right. Ooh. It's hot too, y'all. One more little bite for you guys. Mmm. That's finger licking good. Look at that meat. Didn't do too bad, y'all. We ain't no chef, but we cooking. Another one going down, y'all. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Pork chops with gravy. Southern style. That's what I'm gonna call it. Southern style. I don't know. It's gravy. It's good. Peace. I'm out of here.